ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरो हर। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिहे शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाठी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यप्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പീരേന്താത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, welcome everyone. Hope you all had a good break. So with everything opening up on summer, I think everybody's like super busy. But I think I'm sure everybody will listen to the recording after this, right? But we'll keep moving. So I think one of the things that the Krishna Jayanti, which is coming on 30th Monday, right? So 29th August, 30th August, 29th August is where the temple, Grace Lake Temple, they're having the puja on 29th. So we've got a chance to do all of these chapters on 28th, which is a Saturday in the morning. I know, so Uma, I know, has been working and she's confirmed it, so it will come up in the flyer. So 28th August, Saturday morning, because Sunday, Vechindanaka, the problem is we'll all will go on Sunday morning and then nobody will come for Sunday evening puja. So that's the reason they didn't want to keep our Parayanam on Sunday. That was the reason. So it's going to be on Saturday morning. So according to my quick calculations, I don't think we'll reach 75. I was originally hoping over 1.5 months back that we'll probably hit the 75 mark, but we'll probably fall short by like 3 or 4 chapters, which is okay. So if we finish 70, we'll do 70 Dasakam Parayana, right? That's okay. So that is going to be the plan for by end of August, right? So heads up to everybody that you still have like 45 days left to catch up on all the chapters, right? So anyway, so we'll keep moving. So Nikki, we'll just start, and I'll send more details once we finalize it, but just kind of mark the date, right? Okay. So Nikki, we'll start with 20, right? We'll go with 20 and then jump to 23, and both are really small chapters, so we should be able to do it pretty quick. So Nikki, maybe Lakshmi and Shobha, we'll start with you both, and then maybe halfway through we'll switch to some others. Okay. So chapter 20. So in the chapter, just a quick thing. So this chapter is another avataram which is not well known, but Rishabha Yogishwara. Avataram as Rishabha Yogishwara, which evidently later on the principles of that or of the Rishabha Yogishwara was then carried over and then became the source for Jainism, although it is not the exact thing. But because Bhagavad, they said they took the core essence, but Jainism doesn't quite believe in Vedas as such. So it's not exactly Jainism, but the basic principles of detachment and adallam came out of this Rishabha Yogishwara, who is also an incarnation of Vishnu. And some of those principles were taken and then, of course, adjusted later on, right, to then eventually form the origin of Jainism. So stanza 1. Priya vratasya priya putra bhutate Agnidra Raja Dudito Hinabhihi Tvam Drishtavanishtaramishti Madhye Tavai Vatushtye Kritayagnya Karma.
Rajesh, you said you're going to explain, 19th chapter or something.
Yeah, probably not today. I was going to get 20 and 23 done, but I will explain 19 separately. Okay. So maybe we'll see what is the right day to do it. Yeah, so thanks for reminding that. Yeah. So Priya Vratasya Priya Putra Bhutat, put a it at the end of that line and a comma, Bhutat. Next line, the becomes A. So Agnidra, that's the name of a person. Agnidra Raja Dudito Hi Nabihi. Tvam Drishtavan.
Rajesh, sorry. Udito hi nabihi. Sorry.
Raja Dudito is a Rajat Udito. That's a, if you split off, it is Rajat Udito. Okay?
Udane.
Yeah, Uda. But you can say Raja Dudito. Okay, because when it joins. So Raja Dudito hi nabihi. One word there. Tvam Drishtavan Ishtadam. I'm going to break it into 4 words, but you try to say it together. Drishtavan Ishtadam Ishti Madhye. Okay. Drishtavan Ishtadam Ishti Madhye, or you can say that Drishtavan Ishti Dhamishti Madhye together as one word as well, comma. Tavaiva Tushtiyai Krita Yajna Karma. Priya Vratasya Priya Putra Bhutate आग्निद्रराजादुदितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्टवानिष्ठदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा. Lakshmi, should I read the first one?
प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् आग्निद्रराजादुदितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्टवानिष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा. இது கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப லோவா இருக்குன்னு. प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् आग्निद्रराजादुदितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्टवानिष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा.
प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् आग्निध्रराजातुदितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्टवान् इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा. प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् आग्निध्रराजातुदितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्टवान् इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा.
Stanza 2. Abhishtutas tatra munishwarais tvam, comma, Rajnyaha is there, so put a is. Rajnyas swatulyam sutam artyamanaha swayam janishyeham iti bruvanaha, put a visarga at the end, bruvanaha, comma. Next line, if you have a is, that goes away. Tiro dadha barhishi Vishwamurte.
Rajesh, what Tiro Dada Kapra என்ன word?
Barhishi.
Barhishia.
Yeah, Barhishi. You don't have that?
இல்ல Bahirsheen போட்டுருக்கேன். Bahirsheen.
இல்ல Barhishi.
Barhishi. Okay.
Abhishtutas-tatra munishwaraistvam Rajnyaswatulyam sutamartyamanaha swayam janishyeham-iti bruvanaha tiro dadha barhishi Vishwamurte.
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः तिरो दधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते. अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः तिरो दधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते.
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः तिरो दधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते. अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः तिरो दधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते.
So in the first line in the Munishwaraistam, and there is a long knee. It's just sounding like a short knee a little bit.
Okay.
Nabhi priyayam atha meru devyam, comma, tvam, the word is tvam amshatobhur. Okay, those are the two words, but you say that as twamam shatobhur together. Twamam shatobhur. In case you have boohu in your book, then there's a visarga is there. The joining letter is ir. Ir is the joining letter. Or some books automatically have that ir there. So twamam shatobhur rishabhabhidhanaha. Rishabhabhidhanaha. Okay. Aloka samanya guna prabhava and then put a plus. Prabhavitashesha jana pramodaha. So third and fourth line together. Nabhipriyaya matamerudevyam tomham shato bhurshabhavidhanaha aloka samanya guna prabhava prabhavitashesha jana pramodaha.
नाभिप्रियायामथमेरुदेव्यां त्वमं शतो ऋषभाभिधानः अलोक सामान्यगुणप्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः नाभिप्रियायामधमेरुदेव्यां त्वमं शतो भूदृषभाभिधानः अलोक सामान्य गुण प्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः
नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्यां त्वमं शतो भूर्ऋषभाभिधानः अलोक सामान्य गुण प्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्यां त्वमं शतो भूर्ऋषभाभिधानः अलोक सामान्य गुण प्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः
त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृति राज्य भारम comma निधाय नाभिः is there, so put the is nabis सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनम प्राप्य भवन निषेवी long v comma gataha, so put the ih there, gatah kila nanda padam padamte. त्वहि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्य भारम निदायनाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन निषेवी गतः किलानंद पदम पदम ते.
Rajesh, the first line la Briti Rajyava Rajyava
Rajya Bharam, so giving up the kingdom itself. Rajya Bharam.
English la tapa potu, Sanskrit la correct hai. त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्यभारं निधायनाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन् निषेवी गतः किलानन्दपदं पदं ते. त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्यभारं निधायनाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन् निषेवी गतः किलानन्दपदं पदं ते.
त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्यभारं निधायनाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन् निषेवी गतः किलानन्दपदं पदं ते. त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्यभारं निधायनाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन् निषेवी गतः किलानन्दपदं पदं ते.
Indras twadutkarsha kritada marshat, put it at the end of that line. So Indras twadutkarsha kritada marshat, comma, next line remove the the there and make it just bavarsha. Dva you should have, remove the the, just keep the va. Bavarsha nasmin jana bhavarshe, nasmin na jana bhavarshe yada tada tvam nija yoga shaktya, comma swa varsham enad vyadadhaha is there, put a is vyadadhas suvarsham. Indrastvaduৎkarsha kridhadhamarshate bavarshanaasminna jana bhavarshe yada tada tvam nija yoga shaktya swavarshamena vyadadhas suvarsham.
इन्द्रस्वदुत्कर्ष कृतादमर्षात् ववर्षनास्मिन् जनाभवर्षे यदा तदा त्वं निजयोगशक्त्या स्ववर्षमेनत्व
Vyadatas. Vyadatas.
व्यददास
Vyadadas.
व्यददास ओके स्ववर्षमेन व्यददास सुवर्षम அந்த மேனாக்கு அப்புறம் தா இருக்கா
Menad. Id.
மேனத் व्यददास सुवर्षम
Yeah. Sometimes they might have put that the and the vya would have together. Dua appadina potrpa. But if you want the easier way to say it is Swavarshamenad Vyadadhas Suvarsham.
इन्द्रस्वदुत्कर्षकृतादमर्षात् ववर्षनास्मिन् जनाभवर्षे यदा तदा त्वं निजयोगशक्त्या स्ववर्षमेन व्यदधासु वर्षम्
इन्द्रस्वदुत्कर्षकृतादमर्षात् ववर्षनास्मिन् जनाभवर्षे यदा तदा त्वं निजयोगशक्त्या स्ववर्षमेनद्व्यदधासु वर्षम् इन्द्रस्त्वदुत्कर्षकृतादमर्षात् ववर्षनास्मिन् जनाभवर्षे यदा तदा त्वं निजयोगशक्त्या स्ववर्षमेनद्व्यदधासु वर्षम्
Jitendra Dattam Kamanim Jayantim. Jayantim. Put a im there at the end and a comma. Jayantim. Next, the ma becomes a a. Atodvahan anga. That word, it's difficult to break it. So Atodvahan Natma Ratha Shayopi. It's Atodvahan Atma. Those are the two words. But in the in and a vardana, it becomes a double na. So Atodvahan Natma Ratha Shayopi. Atma Ratha Shayopi. Aji Janas Tatra Shatam Tanujan. In at the end of that line. Tanujan, comma. Next line is the ne becomes a. Esham Kshiti Sho. First word is a ksha. Kshiti Sho Bharatogra Janma. So it's in the so this Rishabha Yogishwara Rishabha, who then marries, he has a fight with Indra, and then so Indra then gives his daughter Jayanti in marriage, and they both have multiple sons. The first of that son is Bharata. So that's why, and then they all rule the various varshas, like 21st. Next, we see the Jambu Dvipa, where we learned about the various varshas, right? Various regions. So each of them run different regions, and this Bharata rules over this Bharata Varsha. So that's why that name Bharata Varsha actually came from this Bharata and not from the Shakuntala Bharata. Because originally I had learned it as in the Nala Damayanti la Angur Bharata Varva, Anda Bharata Nala Bharata Varsha. It's because of this Bharata. It's called Bharata Varsha. So Bharatogra Janma. Jitendra Dattam Kamanim Jayantim Atodvahanatma Rata Shayopi Aji Janas Tatra Shatam Tanujan Esham Kshiti Sho Bharatogra Janma.
Jitendra Dattam Kamanim Jayantim Atodvahanatma Rata Shayopi Aji Janas Tatra Shatam Tanujan Esham Kshiti Sho
First kshi.
Ah.
KSHI. Kshi. P. Sho. So Kshitisho.
क्षितीशो भरतो ग्रजन्मा जितेन्द्र दत्तां कमनीं जयन्तीं अतोद्वहन्नात्मरताशयोऽपि अजीजनस्तत्र शतं तनूजान् येषां क्षितीशो भरतो ग्रजन्मा
जितेन्द्र दत्तां कमनीं जयन्तीम् अथोद्वहन्नात्मरताशयोऽपि अजीजनस्तत्र शतं तनूजान् येषां क्षितीशो भरतोऽग्रजन्मा जितेन्द्र दत्तां कमनीं जयन्तीम् अथोद्वहन्नात्मरताशयोऽपि अजीजनस्तत्र शतं तनूजान् येषां क्षितीशो भरतोऽग्रजन्मा
Nava bhavan yogivara navanye, and then put a plus. Twapalayan bharata varsha khandan. Saika twashitis tava shesha putraha. So this is at the end there, putraha, comma. Next line, remove that is at the beginning. So it becomes tapobalat bhusura bhuyam iyuhu. Nava bhavan yogi varanavanye twapalayan bharata varsha khandan saika twashitis shesha putraha tapobalat bhusura bhuyam iyuhu.
नवा भवन् योगिवरा नवान्ये त्वपालयन् भारतवर्षखण्डान् सैकात्वशीतिस्तव शेषपुत्राः तपोबलाद् भूसुरभूयमीयुः नवा भवन् योगिवरा नवान्ये त्वपालयन् भारतवर्षखण्डान् सैकात्वशीतिस्तव शेषपुत्राः तपोबलाद् भूसुरभूयमेयुः
नवा भवन् योगिवरा नवान्ये त्वपालयन् भारतवर्षखण्डान् सैकात्वशीतिस्तव शेषपुत्राः तपोबलाद् भूसुरभूयमीयुः नवा भवन् योगिवरा नवान्ये त्वपालयन् भारतवर्षखण्डान् सैकात्वशीतिस्तव शेषपुत्राः तपोबलाद् भूसुरभूयमीयुः
Rajesh, is it putraha or putraha?
Putraha.
Putraha, then okay.
Uktva sutebhyota munindra madhye, comma, virakti bhaktyanvita mukti margam. Swayam gataha is there, so put a if gataf paramahamsya vrittim, put a im there, vrittim, and then comma. Next line, the ma becomes a adha jadon mattha, double tha, jadon mattha pishacha charyam.
Rajesh, adhava, sorry.
Adha.
Okay.
ராஜேஷ் செகண்ட் லைன்ல முக்தி மார்கான் இருக்கு என்னோட புக்ல நீ மார்கம்னு சொன்னியா
உனக்கு மார்கன் இருக்கா
இல்ல மார்கான்
okay, maybe that's the mukti marg, the path is what it's referring to, mukti marg, the path. So margan, I don't know how it's different from margam, so
okay,
you just change it. Meaning is still the same probably.
Okay.
Uktva sutebhyota munindra madhye virakti bhaktyanvita mukti margam swayam gatah paramahamsya vrittim adha jadon matta pishacha charyam.
वासुतेभ्योत मुनीन्द्र मध्ये विरक्तिभक्तिमार्गम् स्वयं गतः परमहंस्य वृत्तिं स्वयं गतः पारमहंस्य वृत्तिम् अधा जडोन्मत्तपिशाचर्याम् उक्त्वा सुतेभ्योद मुनीन्द्र मध्ये विरक्तिभक्त्यन्वितमुक्तिमार्गं स्वयं जतः पारमहंस्य वृत्तिम् अधा जडोन्मत्तपिशाचर्याम्
उक्त्वा सुतेभ्योऽथ मुनीन्द्र मध्ये विरक्तिभक्त्यन्वितमुक्तिमार्गम् स्वयं गतः पारमहंस्य वृत्तिम् अधा जडोन्मत्तपिशाचर्याम् उक्त्वा सुतेभ्योऽथ मुनीन्द्र मध्ये विरक्तिभक्त्यन्वितमुक्तिमार्गम् स्वयं गतः पारमहंस्य वृत्तिम् अधा जडोन्मत्तपिशाचर्याम्.
So in one of the 90s, when we were learning one of those chapters, so one of that Bhattatripath says that I want to be able to renunciate everything and not have a place to live, not have anything, and I just want to wander around like a madman, but just constantly keep thinking about you. He says in one of those future chapters, I forgot which chapter that was. So the Paramahamsya Vrittim, the Paramahamsya path is essentially the path of complete renunciation of everything, giving away everything. So and then he was then roaming. He gave up everything that he had. He learned the path of liberation, and then he was walking around like Jada. Jada like a idiot, like the literal translation, but essentially means like one who doesn't care about anything. They're on in their own way. And the Mari Jada and Pishachacharya. Pishachana ghost. So ghosts are not literally like the ghost, but like just he's living on his own, Kandikama, just walking around, wandering around, not having anything, not thinking about anything, not caring about anything. And the Mari, he just completely renounced everything and went in that path, right? So that's what I was telling is later on, this in the concept of liberation and renouncing everything out and not worrying about anything and just doing that stuff is the original source of Jainism. But then over a period of time, different things got mixed into it and it became a path of its own, right? But this Rishabha, who was the original thing, he came through the path of understanding everything, and then it just triggered the start of it. That was the source of it. So that's what is happening there. So Paratma Bhutopi Paropadesham, Kurvan Bhavan Sarva Nirasya Manaha Vikara Hino Vichachara Kritsnam, and then put a plus there. Mahim Ahinath. It's like, and that word is little up to pretty much you have to say the whole word together. Mahinath Marasabhilinaha. You have to say the whole word together because it's multiple R's are coming in between, so it's difficult to break it. So Mahinath Marasabhilinaha. Paratma Bhutopi Paropadesham Kurvan Bhavan Sarva Nirasya Manaha Vikarahino Vichachara Kritsnam Mahinat Marasa Bilinaha.
Paratma Bhutopi Paropadesham Kurvan Bhavan Sarva Nirasya Manaha Vikarahino Vichachara Krishnam Mahinatmara Sabhilinaha. Paratma Bhutopi Paropadesham Kurvan Bhavan Sarva Nirasya Manaha Vikarahino Vichachara Krishnam Mahinatmara Sabhilinaha.
Paratma Bhutopi Paropadesham Kurvan Bhavan Sarvanirasya Manaha Vikarahino Vichachara Krishnam मही महीनात्मरसाभिलीनः.
So a second line, kurvan, not kurvan. Ku, short, ku, kurvan.
Oh, kurvan. Okay.
Yeah.
Dali, is there a,
Paratma-
sorry, go ahead.
No, it's okay, Satya. You had a question.
Second line la pause kadiyadhu இல்லையா?
Paropadesham, comma, and then, oh, you mean the kritsnam, kritsnam, and then it's continuous. Kritsnam,
No pause and-
no
Continuous.
pause. Yeah.
परात्मभूतोऽपि परोपदेशं कुर्वन् भवान् सर्वनिरस्यमानः विकारहीनो विचचार कृष्णां महीनात्मरसाभिलीनः.
Last answer. Shayu vratam go mriga kaka charyam, comma, chiram charannapya param swarupam. Dava hritangaha is there. So if join putting Dava hritangah kuta kachale tvam tapan mamapakuru vata natha. So the Shayu Bratam, it's referring to the life a python follows, which means a python, it says at least, doesn't go looking for food. It just stays, and whatever comes, it eats, right? So it's kind of, that's the life he eventually ended up leaving towards the end, right? He doesn't go in search of food, just doing his regular stuff, and whatever food he gets, he eats. That's number one. And then go, mriga, and kaka. So go is cow, mriga is deer, kaka is crow. So those are given as examples of creatures which just mind their own business. Doesn't matter what anybody else is doing, right? And the maadu part, it will be just standing there eating. It will do its duty. It doesn't matter what else is happening. That's what the reference point they're saying. So eventually be having that. Eventually he attained liberation by living such practices, and eventually went and attained with the supreme Brahman Swarupam. He went and attained with you. So Shayu Bratam Gomriga Kakacharyam Chiram Charannapya Param Swarupam Davahritanga Kutaka Chaletvam Tapan Mamapa Kuruvatanatha.
व्रतं गोमृगकाकचर्यां चिरं चरन्नाप्यपरं स्वरूपं दवाहृताङ्गः कुटकाचले त्वं तापान् ममापाकुर्वातनाथ. शयुव्रतं गोमृगकाकचर्यां चिरं चरन्नाप्यपरं स्वरूपं दवाहृताङ्गः कुटकाचले त्वं तापान् ममापाकुर्वातनाथ.
शयूव्रतं गोमृगकाकचर्यां चिरं चरन्नाप्यपरं स्वरूपं तवाहृताङ्गकुटकाचले त्वं तापान् ममापाकुर्वातनाथ. शयूव्रतं गोमृगकाकचर्यां चिरं चरन्नाप्यपरं स्वरूपं तवाहृताङ्गकुटकाचले त्वं तापान् ममापाकुर्वातनाथ.
Last line, ma pa kuru, kuru.
Mama pa kuru vatanath.
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Okay, so that completes 20. So we'll go to 23. So with Priya, both Priya Arun and Sri Kumar, we can be students today for the 23rd chapter. So this has got a couple of things happening here. The first one, and I'll just important places, I'll tell you what it is. The first one is about Daksha. This is not the Daksha of Parvati Shiva and the Daksha Kadayadu. Just a different Daksha who happens to have the name of Daksha. So Prachetasas tu Bhagavan na paro hi Dakshaha. So visarga at the end, and comma, Dakshaha. Next line, remove the is. Twat sevanam vyadita sarga bibruddhi kamaha. Avir bhabhuvitha tada Lasadashta, lasat ashta, you can say it together, lasadashta bahuhu, visarga again there, bahuhu, comma. Next line is goes away. Tasmai varam dhadita tam cha vadum asiknim. Vadum asiknim, but vadum asiknim. Because asikni is a name of a person. So vadum asiknim. Prachetasasthu bhagavanna parohi dakshaha tvatsevanam vyadita sarga vibruddhi kamaha avirbhabhuvita tadhala sadashta bhahuhu tasmai varam dhadita tam cha vadumasiknim. Priya Shikumar, you want to go first?
Yeah. Prachetasastु bhagavanaparo hi dakshaha त्वत्सेवनं व्यथितसर्गविवृद्धिकामः आविर्बभूविधतदालसदष्टबाहुः तस्मै वरं दधिततां च वधूमसिग्नीम् प्राचेतत्सस्तु भगवन्नपरो हि दक्षः त्वत्सेवनं व्यथितसर्गविवृद्धिकामः आविर्बभूविधतदालसदष्टबाहुः तस्मै वरं दधिततां च वधूमसिग्नीम्
प्राचेतसस्तु भगवन्नपरो हि दक्षः त्वत्सेवनं व्यधितसर्गविवृद्धिकामः आविर्बभूविततदालसदष्टबाहुः तस्मै वरं दधिततां च वधूमसिग्नीम् प्राचेतसस्तु भगवन्नपरो हि दक्षः त्वत्सेवनं व्यधितसर्गविवृद्धिकामः आविर्बभूविततदालसदष्टबाहुः तस्मै वरं दधिततां च वधूमसिग्नीम्
Tasyatmajas Tvayutam Isha Punas Sahasram, comma, Shri Naradasya Vachasa Tava Margamapuhu Naikatra Vasam Rishaye Sa Mumocha Shapam Bhaktotamas Tvrishir. So that is difficult to say that word. It's it irke, and then vr, vru, right? And then so it's Tvrishir. I don't know how to spell it in English, but Tvrishir anugraham eva. So Tvrishir anugraham eva. You may have to. You can either Bhakto Tamas, for it's easy, and then you may want to say it as Tvrishir anugraham eva mene. Or you can say that Tvrishir Ranugrahan, change it. We're saying it fast, it doesn't matter anyways. But if you want to break it, it'll be Tvrishir Anugrahameva Mene. Okay, I don't know if anybody has English, if it has a proper spelling of how to say that.
TVRSHIR.
TVR
SHIR.
Yeah, so Tvrishir, yeah, because it's actually it is Tu and Rishi combined. Okay, Tu and Rishi combined. That's Tvrishir added another. So TVR, yeah, that's right. TVR, Tvrishir. Tasyatmajastvayutamisha punas sahasram Shrinaradasya vachasa tava margamapuhu naikatra vasam rishaye samumocha shapam bhaktotamas tvrishiranugrahameva mene.
तस्यात्मजास्तु इदमीश पुनः सहस्रं श्रीनारदस्य वचसा तव मार्गमापुः नैकत्र वासमृषये समुमोच शापं भक्तोत्तमस्तृषिरनुग्रहमेव मेने तस्यात्मजास्तुयितमीश पुनः सहस्रं श्रीनारदस्य वचसा तव मार्गमापुः नैकत्र वासमृषये समुमोच शापं भक्तोत्तमस्तृषिरनुग्रहमेव मेने
तस्यात्मजास्त्वयुतमीश पुनः सहस्रं श्रीनारदस्य वचसा तव मार्गमापुः नैकत्र वासं ऋषये सममुमोच शापं भक्तोत्तमस्त्वृषिरनुग्रहमेव मेने तस्यात्मजास्त्वयुतमीश पुनः सहस्रं श्रीनारदस्य वचसा तव मार्गमापुः नैकत्र वासं ऋषये समुमोच शापं भक्तोत्तमस्त्वृषिरनुग्रहमेव मेने.
Sanskriti. Shashtya tato duhitribihi is there. Put a is duhitribis srijatah srijataha. So put a srijatah kulaugan comma dauhitra sunurata tasya sa vishwarupaha tvat stotra varmitam ajapayad. If you want to break it, it will be varmitam ajapayad indramajau. But you can say that tat stotra varmitam ajapayad indramajau together. But breaking will be varmitam ajapayad indramajau, comma deva tvadiya mahima khalu sarva jaitraha. So this is where under Daksha, who is the son of Prachetas, who we learned in the 19th chapter. So under Daksha, he had a daughter. He had two daughters, Diti, Aditi, who Kashyapa married, and those were the sons Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, and the Asuras and the Devas all came out of that, right? So in the Aditi, and the Aditi ki she had a son. So Daksha's daughter Aditi had a son called Twasta. Don't remember his name, but the Twasta had a son called Vishwarupa. That Vishwarupa was the sage who taught Narayana Kavacham to Indra when Brihaspati, who is the guru of Indra, who was the guru of the Devas, he had some problem with Indra because Indra did something wrong, so he ended up leaving. So this Vishwarupa came and taught Narayana Kavacham to Indra, and that's what comes. So in Bhagavatam, when this story is getting explained, right, then Parikshit asks Sukabrahman, oh, you are saying this Vishwarupa, and Vishwarupa thought, can you please teach me that Narayana Kavacham? Cholite Parikshit asks. Then the next chapter is where Sukabrahman teaches Narayana Kavacham. So that actually comes right after like this little bit of this story. When this story ends, the next chapter Narayana Kavacham starts in Bhagavatam. So that is the context in this case. So that's where the Vishwarupa is referring to that person who taught it to Indra. Shashtya tato duhitribis srijatah kulaughan dauhitra sunurata tasya sa vishwarupaha tvatstotra varmitamajapayadindramajau devatvadiya mahima khalu sarva jaitraha.
षष्ट्या ततो दुहितृभिः सृजतः कुलौघान् दौहित्रसूनुरथ तस्य स विश्वरूपः त्वत्स्तोत्रवर्मितमजापयत् इन्द्रमाजौ देवत्वदीयमहिमा खलु सर्वजैत्रः षष्ट्या ततो दुहितृभिः सृजतः कुलौघान् दौहित्रसूनुरथ तस्य स विश्वरूपः त्वत्स्तोत्रवर्मितमजापयदिन्द्रमाजौ देवत्वदीयमहिमा खलु सर्वजैत्रः
षष्ट्या ततो दुहितृभिः सृजतः कुलौघान् दौहित्रसूनुरथ तस्य स विश्वरूपः त्वत्स्तोत्रवर्मितमजापयदिन्द्रमाजौ देवत्वदीयमहिमा खलु सर्वजैत्रः षष्ट्या ततो दुहितृभिस्सृजतः कुलौघान् दौहित्रसूनुरततस्य स विश्वरूपः त्वत्स्तोत्रवर्मितमजापयदिन्द्रमाजौ देवत्वदीयमहिमा खलु सर्वजैत्रः.
Third line, Tvatstotra Varmitam Ajha. Adha. I'm not, I don't, did you say that? Because I heard as Adha, it was like not clear.
Innொரு சொல்றேன். त्वत्स्तोत्रवर्मितमजापयदिन्द्रमाजौ.
Yeah. Prak Shurasena Vishaye Kila Chitraketuhu, comma, Putragrahi Nripathir Angirasa. Nripathir Angirasa. So Nripati Rangirasa together. Angirasaha is there, so you can put a if there. Angirasah Prabhavat Labdvaika Putram Atha Tatra Hate Sapatni Sanghaihi. So put a plus if Sanghaihi is there in the next line, then put a plus to join it. Sapatni Sanghaihi. So the ra that you have there, remove it. First put a visarga and a comma. Sanghaihi. Next word starts with a a. Amuhyad avashas. Amuhyad avashas. You can say it together. Amuhyad avashas tava maya yasau. So in this and the next paragraph, I'll say the meaning together of what it is. So amuhyad avashas tava maya yasau. Prakshurasena vishaye kila chitraketuhu Putra grahi nripatirangirasah prabhavat labdvaika putramata tatra hate sapatni sanghaihi amuhyadavashastava mayayaso.
Prakshurasena Vishaye Kila Chitraketuho Putragrahi Nripatirangirasa Prabhavat Labdvaika Putramatha Tatra Hate Sapatni Sanghaihi Amuhyadavashastava Mayayaso. Prakshurasena Vishaye Kila Chitraketuho Putragrahi Nripatirangirasa Prabhavat Labdvaika Putramatha Tatra Hate Sapatni Sanghaihi Amuhyadavashastava Mayayaso.
Prakshurasena Vishaye Kila Chitraketuhu Putragrahi Nripatirangirasah Prabhavat Labdvaika Putramata Tatra Hate Sapatni Sanghaihi Amuhyadavashastava Mayayaso. Prakshurasena Vishaye Kila Chitraketuhu Putragrahi Nripatirangirasah Prabhavat Labdvaika Putramata Tatra Hate Sapatni Sanghaihi Amuhyadavashastava Mayayaso.
Tam Naradastu Samam Angirasa or Samam Angirasa Dayaluhu, comma, Samprapya Thavad Upadharshya Sutasya Jivam Kasyasmi Putra Iti Tasya Gira Bimoham, put a plus, Tyaktva Twadarchana Vidhau Nripathim Nyayuntha. So in the fourth land, it's a second story that is starting, completely independent of the Daksha, the Vishwarupa story. So there was a king called Chitraketu. So that Chitraketu had several wives and he did not have any children. So in the Angiras, one of the Sapta Rishis, through his help, he did some things, and then one of his wife had one child. So and the child, all the other wives got very jealous because that one wife had one child. So that's why labdvaika putramata, he got one child. Tatra hate sapatni sangaihi, all the other wives joined together and killed that child off. And so that child died. So this Chitraketu, who then went with Angiras and all that, and he's a very nice person. He did a lot of religious things and everything. So he went and he was wondering, I got this one child after all these years of penance and everything, and then all of my own wives end up killing the child. So what happens? So out of compassion, Narada and Angiras, they take Chitraketu and eventually make him meet the soul of the child who died, right? The child who just got killed. So when he goes there and then he goes and tells, I'm your father. So that child, that soul says, Kasyasmi putra iti. Which father are you? That soul is asking. Because that soul is saying, I've had so many births. I've had so many fathers, right? So, yenda birthla were you my father? Because I cannot relate to you anything more. Maybe in one birth you would have been my father, but that was just for that birth, right? Outside of that birth, you are not my father anymore, right? So that soul says, the soul asks him, Kasyasmi putra iti. You're saying, who is my father? Which father are you? Is really what the soul asks, right? So that's when he understands the whole concept, which he learns from Narada and Angirasa. He understands the concept of soul and multiple births and all of that stuff. And he learns that the soul is permanent, but each of your life, the role you play or the thing of is independent and all that stuff he learns. And then then he completely dedicates himself to worshipping you and so on, right? And then the story continues what he does after. So that's the interesting part of these two stanzas. So tam naradastu, oh, so we already discussed that, right? Okay. Tam naradastu samamangirasadhayaluhu samprapya dhavadupadarshya sutasya jivam kasyasmi putra iti tasya gira vimoham tyaktva tvadarchana vidau nrupatim nyayungta.
Tam naradastu samamangirasadhayaluho samprapya tavadupadarshya sutasya jivam kasyasmi putra iti tasya gira vimoham tyaktva tvadarchana vidau nripatim nyayungta. Tam naradastu samamangirasadhayaluho samprapya tavadupadarshya sutasya jivam kasyasmi putra iti tasya gira vimoham tyaktva tvadarchana vidau nripatim nyayungta.
Tam naradastu samamangirasa dayaluhu samprapya tavadupadarshya sutasya jivam kasyasmi putra iti tasya gira vimoham tyaktva tvadarchana vidau nripatim nyayungta. Tam naradastu samamangirasa dayaluhu samprapya tavadupadarshya sutasya jivam kasyasmi putra iti tasya gira vimoham tyaktva tvadarchana vidau nripatim nyayungta.
Stotram cha mantramapi naradatotha labdhva, comma, toshaya shesha vapusho nanu te tapasyan vidyadharadipatitam. So vidyadhara adipatitam, two different words, but say it together. Vidyadharadipatitam sahi saptaratre, and then put a plus, labdvapya kuntha. So on the word you can't break it, because labdvapi akunta, multiple words are there. So labdvapya kuntha mathir anva bhajat bhavantam. So two lines continuous. Labdvapya kuntha matiranva bhajat bhavantam. Stotram cha mantramapi naradathota labdhva toshaya shesha vapusho nanute tapasyan विद्याधराधिपतितां सहि सप्तरात्रे लब्ध्वाप्यकुण्ठमतिरन्वभजद्भवन्तम्
स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि नारदतोऽथ लब्ध्वा तोषाय शेषवपुषो ननु ते तपस्यन् विद्याधराधिपतितां सहि सप्तरात्रे लब्ध्वाप्यकुण्डमतिरन्वभजद्भवन्तम् स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि नारदतोऽथ लब्ध्वा तोषाय शेषवपुषो ननु ते तपस्यन् विद्याधराधिपतितां सहि सप्तरात्रे लब्ध्वाप्यकुण्डमतिरन्वभजद्भवन्तम्
स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि नारदोत எப்படி சொல்லணும்?
नारदथोत
ओके स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि नारदतोत लब्ध्वा तोषाय शेषवपुषो ननु ते तपस्यन् विद्याधराधिपतितां सहि सप्तरात्रे लब्ध्वाप्य कुण्ठमतिरन्वभजद्भवन्तम् स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि नारदतोत लब्ध्वा तोषाय शेषवपुषो ननु ते तपस्यन् विद्याधराधिपतितां सहि सप्तरात्रे लब्ध्वाप्य कुण्ठमतिरन्वभजद्भवन्तम्
तस्मै मृणाल धवलेन सहस्र शीर्ष्णा रूपेण भद्रनुति सिद्धगणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्नचरितो nutibihi is there, so if puttungo nutibih prasanno dattvatma tattvam anugrihya tiro dadhatha dattvatma tattvam anugrihya tiro dadhatha.
Radishi, Pradur, can you repeat that line?
Yeah. Pradur bhavan acharito are the two words, but again because an in and are coming, it becomes a double na. So pradur bhavan charito. Okay, nutibif.
Chirato irukku. Pradur bhavanna chirato irukku.
Oh, sorry, what did I say?
Charito sonna mari.
Oh, sorry, chirato only. Pradur bhavanna chirato. Sorry, my bad. तस्मै मृणाल धवलेन सहस्रशीर्ष्णा रूपेण भद्दनुति सिद्धगणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्न चिरतो नुतिभिः प्रसन्नो दत्त्वात्मतत्त्वमनुगृह्य तिरो दधाथ.
तस्मै मृणाल धवलेन सहस्रशीर्ष्णा रूपेण बद्धनुति सिद्धगणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्न चिरतो नुतिभिः प्रसन्नो दत्त्वात्मतत्त्वमनुगृह्य तिरो दधाथ. तस्मै मृणाल धवलेन सहस्रशीर्ष्णा रूपेण बद्धनुति सिद्धगणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्न चिरतो नुतिभिः प्रसन्नो दत्त्वात्मतत्त्वमनुगृह्य तिरो दधाथ.
तस्मै मृणालधवलेन सहस्रशीर्ष्णा रूपेण बद्धनुति सिद्धगणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्न चिरतो नुतिभिः प्रसन्नो दत्त्वात्मतत्त्वमनुगृह्य तिरो दधात. तस्मै मृणालधवलेन सहस्रशीर्ष्णा रूपेण बद्धनुति सिद्धगणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्न चिरतो नुतिभिः प्रसन्नो दत्त्वात्मतत्त्वमनुगृह्य तिरो दधाथ.
त्वद् भक्त मौलिरथ सोपि च लक्षं and then put a plus varshani harshulamana bhuvaneshu kamam sangapayan gunaganam tava sundaribihi, comma, Sangati Rekha. So it's one word. Sangati Rekha Rahito Lalitam Chachare. Twadbhaktamaulirathasopi cha laksha laksham varshani harshulamana bhuvaneshu khamam Sanghapayan gunaganam tava sundaribihi Sanghatireka rahito lalitam chachara.
त्वद्भक्तमौलिरथसोऽपि च लक्षलक्षं वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भुवनेषु कामम् सङ्गापयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरीभिः सङ्गातिरेकरहितो ललितं चचार त्वद्भक्तमौलिरथसोऽपि च लक्षलक्षं वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भुवनेषु कामम् सङ्गापयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरीभिः सङ्गातिरेकरहितो ललितं चचार
त्वद्भक्तमौलिरतसोऽपि च लक्षलक्षं वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भुवनेषु कामं सङ्गापयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरीभिः सङ्गातिरेकरहितो ललितं चचार त्वद्भक्तमौलिरतसोऽपि च लक्षलक्षं वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भुवनेषु कामं सङ्गापयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरीभिः सङ्गातिरेकरहितो ललितं चचार
Atyantha Sangha Vilayaya Bhavat Pranunno, comma, Noonam Sa Rupya Girim Apya Mahat Samaje Nishankam Anka. Wait, you can break it there. Nishankam Anka Krita Vallabham Angajarim. Vallabham Angajarim, comma, Tam Shankaram Parihasan Umayabhisheve. But again, same logic, so it becomes a double na there. Parihasan Numayabhisheve. It becomes two nas there. Atyanta Sangha Vilayaya Bhavat Pranunno Noonam Sarupya Girimapya Mahat Samaje Nishankamanka Krita Vallabhamangajarim Tam Shankaram Parihasan Numayabhisheve.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரு டவுட் நூனம் ச ரௌப்யன்னு இருக்கு
Rupya form.
ROO
Like Rupya, Rupam.
ஃபார்ம்
Form, yeah. That's what, Rupya.
லாஸ்ட்ல வந்து
Yeah.
உமையாபி ஷேபேவா
Shape.
Shape,
Yeah,
yeah.
shape. Yeah. I think I said shape.
अत्यन्तसङ्गविलयाय भवत्प्रणुन्नो नूनं सरूप्य गिरिमाप्य महत्समाजे निःशङ्गमङ्गकृतवल्लभमङ्गजारिं तं शङ्करं परिहसन् उमयाभिषेपे अत्यन्तसङ्गविलयाय भवत्प्रणुन्नो नूनं सरूप्य गिरिमाप्य महत्समाजे निःशङ्गमङ्गकृतवल्लभमङ्गजारिं तं शङ्करं परिहसन् उमयाभिषेपे
अत्यन्तसङ्गविलयाय भवत्प्रणुन्नो नूनं सरूप्य गिरिमाप्य महत्समाजे निःशङ्कमङ्ककृतवल्लभमङ्गजारिं तं शङ्करं परिहसन् उमयाभिषेपे अत्यन्तसङ्गविलयाय भवत्प्रणुन्नो नूनं सरूप्य गिरिमाप्य महत्समाजे निःशङ्कमङ्ककृतवल्लभमङ्गजारिं तं शङ्करं परिहसन् उमयाभिषेपे
Nissambramas Tvayam Ayachita Shapa Moksho, comma, Vritrasura Tvam upagamya vritrasura tvamupagamya surendra yodhi bhaktyatma tattva katanaihi is there. So is there katanais samare vichitram shatrorapi brahmama pasya double ma brahmama pasya gataha put if there gatah padamte Nissambhramastvayamaya shapa moksho vritrasuratvamupagamya surendra yodhi bhaktyatma tattva katanai samare vichitram shatrorapi brahmapasya gatah padamte.
Nissamphramastvayamaya shapamoksho vritrasuratvamupagamya surendra yodhi bhaktyatma tattva kathanai samare vichitram shatrorapi pramamapasya gatah padam te. Nissamphramastvayamaya shapamoksho vritrasuratvamupagamya surendra yodhi bhaktyatma tattva kathanai samare vichitram shatrorapi pramamapasya gatah padam te.
Nissambhramastvayamaya shapamoksho vritrasuratvam upagamya surendra yodhi bhaktyatma tattva-katanai samare vichitram shatrorapi brahmamapasya gatah padam te. Nissambhramastvayamaya shapamoksho vritrasuratvam upagamya surendra yodhi bhaktyatma tattva-katanai samare vichitram shatrorapi brahmamapasya gatah padam te.
So I know there's one more stanza, but so we first saw about that Daksha, and then we saw about that Vishwarupa, right, who taught Kavacham to Indra. So that was one story. And then we saw about this Chitraketu, who lost his son and then went through that story, right? So the reason Bhattaripat combined these two things, although they are two independent, where they come and merge is this Chitraketu. Then he realizes after he talks to his son's soul and everything, right? And then he completely gives up everything and then is completely, renunciates everything. Once he ends up going to Kailasha, so there he's seeing Shiva with all the sages, and Shiva is addressing. And then Parvati was sitting on Shiva's lap. So Aditya, this person ends up ridiculing, he must have said something that doesn't say exactly what he said, but he must have said something. So because of which he's cursed by Adda, and the previous stanza came Umayabhishepe, right? So Uma, which is Parvati, is then cursing him that he's going to be born as an Asura. Aprini, he gets cursed. So now what happens is this Vishwarupa, who taught the Narayana Kavacham to Indra, so he was born to and the Adityoda's son, Twasta. So he was born to Twasta. So Twasta's wife was an Asura, although Aditi is the Deva side, that Aditi's son Twasta, his wife was an Asura, because of which this person Vishwarupa had a small liking for the Asuras. So although he taught Narayana Kavacham to Indra, he also taught a few things to Asuras. So because of which Indra got very upset and Indra ended up killing him, right? So because Indra ended up killing that Vishwarupa, Vishwarupa's father, right, who is Aditi's son, he ends up going and doing some penance, right? And then he wants to have a son who can kill Indra to take revenge. But enna arthanaka, when he's chanting something, he makes a mistake in the swaram. And that is a well-known thing. I just don't remember what it is right now, but I'll try to find out. So he's chanting a mantra. And in that mantra, he's talking about how he wants a son who can kill Indra. But because of the mistake in where he's breaking or something, how he's chanting, he gets a son. But the blessing, the thing becomes that Indra will kill his son அப்படினு ஆயிடுது. அது வந்து somebody, I know there's some other story behind it which I don't recall. Somebody goes and makes some corrections for him saying, oh இப்படி சொல்லாதே, just say it this way or something like that, and he ends up doing it and then it changes the meaning or where he's breaking or something, right? So because of which Indra then ends up killing his son, right? So and yeah, so that's what is kind of happening there. This Chitraketu is who is actually born as his son. So the first story, and then Chitraketu, who's then given curse by Parvati. This Chitraketu is born as his son, right? In this other person's, Tvarta's son, to take revenge. So that's the kind of how these two stories are getting connected. But I'll try to find out. It's a very interesting thing of how he was chanting that, and he makes one mistake in that. Anyway, so yeah. So anyway, so that's what is happening there. So last one. Tvat sevanena ditirindra vadodhyathapi, comma, tan pratyutendra suhrudo marutobhilebhe dushta shayepi shubhadhaiva bhavan nisheva, comma, tattadrishas tvamava mam bhavanala esha. Tvatsevanena ditirindra vadodhyathapi tan pratyutendra suhrudo maruto bhilebhe dushtashayepi shubhadhaiva bhavan nisheva tattadrishas tvamava mam bhavanalayesha.
त्वत्सेवनेन दितिरिन्द्रवथोद्यतापि तान् प्रत्युतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतोऽभिलेभे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेव तत्तादृशस्त्वमव मां पवनालयेश. त्वत्सेवनेन दितिरिन्द्रवथोद्यतापि तान् प्रत्युतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतोऽभिलेभे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेव तत्तादृशस्त्वमव मां पवनालयेश.
त्वत्सेवनेन दितिरिन्द्रवधूयतापि तान् प्रत्युतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतोऽभिलेभे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेवा तत्तादृशस्त्वमव मां पवनालयेश. त्वत्सेवनेन दितिरिन्द्रवधूयतापि तान् प्रत्युतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतोऽभिलेभे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेवा तत्तादृशस्त्वमव मां पवनालयेश. श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Just one other tidbit is just Chitraketu, when he was fighting with Indra as Vratasura, when he comes, and then Indra eventually ends up killing him anyways. But this Chitraketu somehow remembers, and that's why what they say is in the Bhagavad Gita also, right? For those who know, it talks about the soul, the evolution of the soul, and how you remember critical things. And knowledge you have gained is not lost. So the Chitraketu, even though he was born this time, he still remembered the knowledge which he had from the previous birth, and he actually advises Indra. He actually explains to Indra how this thing works, right? But eventually he gets killed by Indra and all that, but he explains it to Indra, and then finally he gets liberated. So anyway, so that's what ends here. Shri Krishna Brahmane Namaha. I know we were able to squeeze in 2 chapters today. Chinna chapters. So I think next one, I think we have pretty much done everything. Now I think we are going next to 41, is where we'll go next. Okay. So we'll stop here and then, sorry. Om Sandhanandhava Bodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladheshavaribhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtahatre Punaruru Purushartatmakam Brahma Tattvam Tattavadbhadi Sakshat Guru Pavanapure हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.